Good morning, everyone. Welcome to September 21st Market Minute. I'm John Hopkins, president of Invested Central. Right now, we get the Dow futures up 42, S&P futures are up 3, and NASDAQ futures are up 8. Asian shares were higher while European shares were mixed overnight. Futures were lower ahead of the bell on Thursday as traders awaited new economic reports. Weekly jobless claims were higher than expected, the Philadelphia Fed was better than expected, and leading economic indicators were worse than expected. By the time the market closed, the Dow was green, the S&P was flat, and the NASDAQ lost ground. There are no key economic reports due out today. Today we'll get earnings from Darden Restaurants. On the S&P, we've got the 20-day moving average at 1435, the 50-day at 1401, and the 200-day at 1352. The S&P closed at 1460 with support at 1435 and resistance at 1475. The market started out weak on Thursday, but as has been the case lately, buyers were chomping at the bit to jump in. The S&P got as low as 1449 before climbing to break even by day's end. Interestingly, the S&P has only moved 5 points for the week in spite of the fact that options expired today. This shows me that the bulls aren't ready to give an inch here. Instead, they've got their eyes set on the prize, a trip back to 2000 levels near 1500. Oil has gotten clobbered this week, but stocks have held nicely. This is further proof that the Fed now has control of the market, whether or not you agree with QE3. This is John Hopkins. I'll be back Monday morning with another Market Minute.